Friends, we're gonna discuss about how to download WhatsApp in PC. Open Google Chrome, type download WhatsApp for PC in search bar. Then you'll get some links. Click on the first link, download WhatsApp. You'll open the download bar. Then click on the green icon, download WhatsApp for Windows. Then automatically download will be started. Automatically download will be started. Now we'll discuss how to install WhatsApp. Go to download folder, click on the WhatsApp setup, double click. Automatically it will be installed and it will be opened directly. After the installation, automatically the WhatsApp will be opened. Then you will get the QR code of WhatsApp. Now you just scan through your mobile phone, then automatically WhatsApp will be connected to it. So please like our video, subscribe, share.